Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Chevy and GMC's 2011 to 2019 2500 HD and 3500 HD pickups.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and remove the transmission as well as any lines or power harnesses in the work area. With a 21mm socket, remove the bolts retaining the factory transmission crossmember and then remove the crossmember. Step 3. Slide your replacement crossmember into the mounts using the bolt holes for alignment. Use the included hardware to bolt in the crossmember. We recommend painting this part with rust inhibitor and letting it dry prior to installation to prevent rust formation in the mounting points. Step 4. If not painted prior to installation, paint the crossmember and work area with rust inhibitor now to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Then reinstall your transmission. Now get back out on the road.